Hey, so if your tools inside Inkscape, yeah, Inkscape, the vector graphics editor, are suddenly not working, not clicking, or just behaving really weirdly, don't panic. Yeah, we're going to fix it step by step in this quick guide. First things first, close Inkscape completely and reopen it. A lot of tool glitches happen after updates or temporary freezes, so a simple restart can actually fix more than you'd expect. Next, make sure you're actually on the right tool. Press F1 for the selection tool, then click your object again. Sometimes we switch tools by accident and think something is broken when it's really not. Now check your layers panel, make sure nothing is locked or hidden, because if an object is locked, it won't respond to any tools at all. And yeah, this one catches people off guard a lot. If pen, node, or shape tools still don't respond, go to Edit, then Preferences, and reset any tool-specific settings. You can also tweak interface or theme settings if things look visually bugged. Also, if you recently installed extensions, one of them might be causing conflicts. Try disabling them temporarily and see if the tools start working again. For a deeper fix, close Inkscape, go to your System Config folder and rename the Inkscape profile folder. When you reopen it, it'll create a fresh setup and fix hidden corruption issues. And if nothing works, just reinstall Inkscape completely. Download the latest version and do a clean install to replace any broken files. Finally, restart your computer once more and test everything again. In most cases, your tools should be working normally by now. Hey everyone,